Did you know that we also do water damage cleanup in hotels, restaurants, condos, or commercial locations? That's right. We are here to help, no matter what type of disaster you may be facing. Whether it's a leaky faucet, a burst sprinkler pipe, or a flood, we have the licenses, certifications, and experience to get the job done. Recently, we had a large condominium complex that had an ongoing roofing replacement done during a rainy period, and it flooded many units and floors. Thankfully, they called us right away. We got there within an hour in the middle of the night and was able to get their residents dry in no time. It was a difficult situation, but we were happy to come to the rescue. We are the paramedics of property damage. And don't forget, we will be there within an hour, day or night. Call us at 941-233 Puro 7876. We know that a disaster can happen at any time, so we are always at the ready to lend a helping hand. For more information on our water damage cleanup services, please call 941-233 Puro 7876 for free estimate. We also offer a chat option on our website. Check it out at www.PuroClean-lwr-siestakey.com.